In this video, I will briefly introduce you to 54 AI tools that you can use, which I have selected into several categories, depending on their application. LeiaPix AI. LeiaPix AI can turn 2D images into captivating 3D animations using LeiaPix AI. This is a tool that you can use to animate any image. There is a free plan that is determined based on the number of credits. You upload an image and LeiaPix will add motion to it. I can upload, for example, this image that I made, and I get something like a 3D animation. Blockade Labs. Blockade can generate 3D images based on your prompt. He can create not only an image, but a whole world. So with this tool, you can create an entire reality from an idea. It's the ultimate AI-based solution for generating amazing 360-degree skybox experiences from text prompts. For example, I'll run this prompt, the surface of the planet Venus and two suns. And I'll pick a style, cyberpunk. Gamma. Gamma, it's a new medium for presenting ideas, powered by AI. Just start writing. Personal, engaging content with none of the formatting and design work. You can try this tool for free, and if you find an application for yourself, there is an option to use it without the Gamma watermark visible, for a small fee. What you can do with Gamma? You can create presentations. You can create articles. You can create an outline of your book idea. You can also use any of the templates that apply to projects, trade, marketing, personal portfolio, one-page site, and many others. Gamma will create for you an entire presentation, the content, the images, or an entire web page. Simply describe your idea in text and Gamma will do the rest. Jasper. Jasper.ai is an artificial intelligence platform that helps enterprise marketing teams create, optimize, and publish content faster and better. It offers features such as company knowledge, team acceleration, AI-assisted content, analytics and insights, and interoperability. Quillbot. This is a great paraphrasing tool, especially if you're using one of the text generators, like ChatGPT, and want to paraphrase to post without bots detecting that this content is AI generated. You can also use to rewrite any article that you find interesting and wish to publish slightly modified. So, it is a great tool to improve your writing. Copilot. Copilot is a Microsoft app and was originally launched on the Bing search engine. Microsoft has partnered with OpenAI, so Copilot is actually the latest version of ChatGPT. But because it's connected to the internet, Copilot will also provide you with links to information sources and relevant sites. Perplexity AI. This is a free tool and is used as a chat bot to answer your questions. I will ask one question. What is the average temperature in Madrid in March? Since it is connected to the internet, it provides very true and accurate answers. This is one of the best chatbots if you are doing various surveys. It can also be used as a Google Chrome extension. I can browse some site, and by selecting the extension here in this icon, I can ask something related to the content of this domain or this page. I choose to summarize this content. If I'm reading an article, for example, I can ask it to summarize that article for me and get a quick summary of the content on that page. It works really great. Claude 2. It is a chat bot that can have conversations with you on various topics, similar to ChatGPT, which is trained with large databases, but also has no connection to the internet. But on the other hand, Claude 2 can upload large amounts of your data, then have a conversation about that content, and it's completely free. Bard. Bard is a Google app that recently claimed to outperform ChatGPT and MS Bing. Google Bard recently got a new update, with Gemini Pro available for us, and I agree that it is one of the best chatbots when you need to surf the web with your chatbot. I'm going to ask the same question I used earlier, because I'm planning a trip to Madrid in March. Bard is a big language model, and what sets it apart is that it has so-called extensions, through which it can integrate with other Google applications, such as Google Docs, or it can even integrate with YouTube videos, which platform also owned by Google. ChatGPT. OpenAI's ChatGPT is the most popular artificial intelligence tool, which after its appearance in the month of November 2022, in just a few months, gained unprecedented popularity and gained millions of users. ChatGPT has a free version, and it is currently version 3.5. In its new paid version ChatGPT 4, it can now generate images using the built-in DALL-E 3 tool. You can also create your own templates to customize your ChatGPT with a specific application. The news from Open AI that you will also have the opportunity to monetize these GPTs of yours, which after passing some approval, will be able to bring you some added value. Harpa AI is a free Google Chrome plugin that combines ChatGPT, Bard, Cloud AI, and can act as your personal AI assistant. Harpa can summarize and reply to emails for you, rewrite, rephrase, correct and expand text, read articles, translate and scan web pages for data. Harpa can also summarize YouTube videos, extract key takeaways from hours-long videos with a click of a button, and save time watching. Harpa can mimic your writing style while crafting emails, tweets replies, LinkedIn cover letters, and SEO-optimized articles of unlimited length. Can also generate long, or more than 25,000-word articles, from outline to chapters, refining or adding keywords at each step. Save time reading. Let Harpa scan a web page, PDF, YouTube video, ask it anything and get information immediately. Also, you can bring your custom GPTs to browser, giving them access to web page content. Effortlessly generate highly detailed Midjourney, DALL-E, Leonardo AI prompts in various styles, and copy them in one click. Over 30+ templates and presets available. Overall, Harpa can automate your work related to many different tasks. Now I'm going to have Harpa summarize the data from that page, and I get a quick summary of Harpa's functionality. HeyGen AI. With HeyGen AI you can run any chatbot free locally on your computer. You need to download the installer. Depending on your operating system, it works for Windows, Mac and Linux. Next, you need to install the chatbots you want to use. It could be Mistral Instruct, Trinity, Llama 2 Chat, which are two really good and free chatbots. And you can even use ChatGPT 3 or 4. But for this you will need to be connected to the internet when using them. I'm using ChatGPT 3 and GPT 4, so they're green here. You will also need to generate a ChatGPT key and pay some cents when using ChatGPT through Jan. But anyway, it's a unique tool that lets you run free chatbots on your local computer, completely anonymously, for the entire community. There you go, the installations are done, and now I have these 2 chatbots locally on my computer. I can start using them. Textfx. This tool was created in collaboration between Google and LeiaPix and helps you be more creative. So if you're a writer or a musician and you need to find words that are similar to other words, Textfx help with that. You can choose words that start with a certain letter. You can search for acronyms of a word. It's very useful when you're writing something and the right words just don't come to mind. Tom can generate content and images based on any idea you have. Enter any prompt and create a compelling starting point for your presentation in minutes. Generate a presentation, a one-pager, a microsite, and more, starting with any prompt. Tom gives you outlines and options to react to every step of the way, so you can find the best expression of your thoughts. Use AI to nail the right tone and phrasing for your writing, create the perfect image, and even search for references across the web to bring your story to life the way you imagined it. Paste in a document and see it gain depth and clarity. Tom automatically builds a narrative from your text and generates matching images to illuminate your point. Logo AI. It's a new logo and brand design. Let AI-powered logo maker generate your new logo, create matching stationery, and design a brand you love. It is an AI engine that not only understands logo data, but also design best practices for beautiful unique designs. Logo AI can offer you various templates as ideas for your logos. How it works: enter your logo name, as you can always make changes later. Then specify the color scheme you prefer, as well as the style you like. And Logo AI will provide you with tons of ideas for your logo design. You will only have to pay if you wish to download the logo you have chosen. And you can also work out the idea you like with some other tool. In this case, Logo AI can be used completely free of charge as a source for generating fresh logo ideas. Microsoft Designer. Microsoft Designer creates an entire design based on a text prompt. A glass of iced tea on the background of the ocean. You can combine the power of AI with other Microsoft Designer tools to create complete designs. Canva Magic Studio. Canva included a new tool called Magic Studio, where it connected with a number of AI tools. That's why Canva now offers text-to-image, text-to-video, avatars, and much, much more. There is a tool with the help of which, based on plain text, you can generate different images, and for this you can use the different themes that Canva provides. You can use ready-made images as elements of the overall design that you can create with the many tools available in Canva. Clipdrop. You can use this tool to edit various images, You can swap people in any image. You can remove objects from an image. There are other tools like uncrop your photos to any image format, background removal, image upscaler x2, cleanup, text remover and others. This is a very useful image editing tool. Pika Labs. A detailed video about Pika Labs can be found here, as well as in the description of this video. This is a tool that transforms text to short video. It both generates images and animates images that you upload. A free app that works in Discord. HeyGen. HeyGen can create entire video clips based on a text prompt. Generates avatars and attaches voices to them. There are various applications, explainer and how-to, marketing, training and onboarding. How it works. Step 1. Create or choose an avatar. Choose from over 100 plus AI avatars, or customize your own. Step 2. Record or choose a voice. Choose from a collection of high-quality voices, or record your own. Step 3. Select a template, or start from scratch. Select from an extensive array of ready-to-use templates for any scenario, or begin with a clean slate. DID. Creative Reality Studio allows you to create realistic avatars to use in the videos you create. There are 3 ways to create your avatar. Choose from an existing selection of photorealistic or illustrated faces. All our faces are optimized to achieve the best results when adding speech and motion. Or upload an image of your own. It can be your own face, that of a friend or relative, a stock image, or even an illustration. Harness the power of text-to-image AI to generate any face you can imagine. Once a face has been added to your library, you can reuse it as often as you like. Just insert a new script to have your avatar say anything you want. There are 3 ways to make your avatar speak. Use AI text generation to help write your script. Upload a recording or type in any text. Just click the Generate button and within seconds you'll have an MP4 file that you can download or share directly from the platform. The video is yours to do with what you want. Edit the avatar into a video, integrate the character into a video game, use it to spice up a presentation, add a face to your chatbot. Three ways to create your avatar. Choose from an existing selection of photorealistic or illustrated faces. Synthesia. You can choose from a library of avatars, as well as create your own avatars. You can also choose from a large library of voices, in different languages. And you can also use their library of video templates. With Synthesia, you can turn your text into videos in minutes. Get natural-sounding AI voices in 120+ languages. Make your videos more engaging with 140+ AI avatars. Edit as easily as a slide deck, no experience required. Synthesia is not very cheap. The lowest plan is $22 per month, but if you have an idea to monetize your creations, Synthesia will do a great job for you. Stable Audio. You can use Stable Audio to generative AI to create music and sound effects. Users can create original audio by entering a text prompt and a duration, generating audio in high quality, 44.1 kHz stereo. It uses a latent diffusion for audio model, trained on data from AudioSparks, a leading music library. You just have to describe in words what you want. Tropical house music. Soundraw. You can choose from a long list of genres. You can fine-tune the mood. You can do hip-hop collaborations. Simply choose the mood, the genre and the length, and their AI will generate beautiful songs for you. You can use Soundraw completely free if you generate bookmark songs. Vocalremover. You can remove voices from a piece of music or any audio file. Suno AI. With Suno, you can create music and generate song lyrics by launching Suno in Discord. And then by selecting Chirp, you can set the music style and add the lyrics. Or generate lyrics for the song. If you want to extend the song, you can select Continue 1 or Continue 2 button. It's a great free tool, and I have a whole video dedicated to it. I will leave a link in the description. You can also work with Suno in a browser.
With sunshine so bright.
Mubert. You can use Mubert if you need to use music for your videos or podcasts. Basically, Mubert has paid plans, but if you credit Mubert in your video description, or wherever you post the music, you can use it for free to generate up to 25 songs per month.
Mubert.
Voicemod. You can use if you want to generate a funny song. You can choose the style of the song, the voice that will sing, and finally add the lyrics. And you can generate the text with one of the text generators we talked about, such as ChatGPT. Okay, that's the score. Photopea. A great free tool that you can use to resize images. And not only. It's a free Photoshop analog that you can use untethered, free of charge, and directly in your browser. Dream Studio. Dream Studio is an easy-to-use interface for creating images using the latest version of the Stable Diffusion image generation model. Stable Diffusion is a leading open-source technology that generates an image based on a text prompt. A rabbit who is dressed in a knight's armor. Great result. And now I'm going to try the same prompt, but with a different style, craft clay. Midjourney. HeyGen still works on Discord, although for users with more than 5,000 images generated, it now also provides web access. It is the most popular tool for generating images, and perhaps one of the most popular AIs that exploded with its capabilities. It creates both hyperrealistic images and images in multiple styles, such as 3D, cartoon characters, artistic images, and much, much more. Multiple editing and scaling tools are available in the environment. I have several videos dedicated to HeyGen where you can learn about its functionality in detail, or see the results generated by using over hundreds of styles. I will post links below. Exploring HeyGen is fun, but it can also serve to create different designs, images, and general creative inspiration. Prompt Hero. This site is not exactly an AI tool, but it works with such tools and gives access to the best prompts implemented through various platforms, such as Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, OpenJourney, and others. For example, you can search the best Midjourney prompts and get millions of ideas for your next prompt engineering session. Showing only good prompts for Midjourney, ranked by users' upvotes and popularity. Leonardo AI. It is one of the most popular platforms for image, text-to-image generation. Leonardo AI is also a free tool that you can use directly in the browser. There is a limit on the number of free images in one day, which is equal to 150 credits, which is quite enough. Leonardo uses Stable Diffusion technology, but also has the ability to generate images based on ready-made models, such as Anime Pastel Dream, Leonardo Creative, Pixel Art, and many others, which serve to further fine-tune your prompt. You can also create and save your own models for later use. I'm going to run the same prompt I used a moment ago. A rabbit who is dressed in a knight's armor. Yes, a wonder result was obtained. DALL-E 3. DALL-E 3 is currently not available through a browser, but they promise it will happen soon. DALL-E 3 is an open AI tool, and if you have access to the paid version of ChatGPT, you will be able to use DALL-E 3 directly inside ChatGPT. Like other text-to-image generators, images are generated based on a text prompt in the chat box. The new thing is that DALL-E 3 can now also create text in your image. You can also use DALL-E 3 for free on Microsoft Bing. I will run a test prompt in ChatGPT. I'll run my rabbit prompt again. Well, what do you say? The result is very good. Pixart-alpha. Pixart-alpha is a free tool that generates images no worse than HeyGen or Leonardo AI. The quality of the generated images is amazing. It works a little slow in a browser, but if you create a Google Colab, you will be able to use it much easier and faster. Here you will have to wait for everything to install, and you will be able to set prompts. The tool is free, and you can generate multiple images before receiving a message to reduce speed. Ideogram. Free image generator. Ideogram was one of the first tools to offer text in generated images. For example, here's this prompt: colorful donut shop with a welcome. Not all did perfectly, but generally good results were obtained. Playground. Allows to create 500 images per day, and even use them commercially. It offers various models and filters that you can use to generate images. I write a prompt, then choose which model to generate with. I choose Playground 2. I can choose the number of images to get, the size, and other settings. I think it turned out really good results. Pinocchio. I put Pinocchio in the image generator column, but it's far from just that. With Pinocchio you can install, run and control databases on your computer with one click. Pinocchio is a browser that lets you install, run, and programmatically control ANY application automatically. You can install and run locally and relatively easily on various open-source AI tools, like Stable Diffusion, Face Swapper, Magic Animate, Illusion Diffusion, and many other models. I will make a separate whole video about this amazing tool soon, so if you are interested, press the bell and also subscribe to my channel. Adobe Firefly contains a library of generative tools such as text-to-image, text effect creation, text-to-vector graphics. The tool is free to use on the site and is already built into other Adobe applications. Murph AI. It can convert any text to speech, and in different languages, creating realistic voices. You can also create video podcast presentations, and you can also work as a team on a project. Personally, for me, this is the best text-to-speech generator when it comes to creating realistic voices.
Writing an essay can seem overwhelming, but it's actually easier than you think.
Speechalo.
Today we're going to show you the AI technology that is able to transform any text into speech and read it in such a natural sounding way that it's tough to tell it was generated by a computer and not a real human being. But before that, let me tell you something. Videos without a good voiceover will not convert, will not get you.
Speechalo is the only text-to-speech tool I know of that you can pay once and use forever. Well, there is a limit to generate a certain number of characters per month, but this limit is enough if you use the tool to create videos or presentations.
In today's digital age, text-to-speech generators are transforming the way we communicate. These tools can In today's digital age, text-to-speech generators are transforming the way we communicate. These tools convert written text into natural-sounding speech, making information more accessible to diverse audiences.
Apart from being a text-to-speech generator, Descript can also be a video editing tool. Descript includes a full gallery of templates to quickly make your videos shine, or to repurpose your content as social clips. Save your own templates for easy reuse on your next project. Blogcast. Blogcast is a great text-to-speech generator. For really large texts, it generates text-to-speech of 13,000 characters of text at once. You might use, for example, if you're creating multi-page audiobooks and want to get really realistic voices. 11 Labs. Besides text-to-speech, it can also clone different voices after a short training of the model. You can train the tool with your voice and then use it when generating different video content, for example, by copying only the text and getting an audio file with your voice as a result. In the 11 Labs free plan, you can get speech synthesis, no commercial license, generate up to 10,000 characters per month, Create up to 3 custom voices. Create random voices using voice design. Access shared voices in the voice library. Speech generation in 29 languages. Automatically dub your content from 57 languages to 29 languages at up to 2,000 characters per minute. API access. And high-quality 128 kbps audio outputs. Attribution to 11labs.io is also required to use all of this. DALL-E is a great translator from and to multiple languages. You can translate text that you copy, and you can translate entire documents that you copy. To translate files, create a DALL-E account. Without any costs, you can instantly translate up to 3 entire PDF, Word, DocX, or PowerPoint, PPTX files a month. You can translate even faster with DALL-E apps. There is a version of DALL-E for Windows, for iOS and Android, and DALL-E for Chrome. With this tool you can also fix grammar and punctuation mistakes, rephrase sentences, express nuances, and find your perfect tone of voice. Image Upscaler. You can increase the resolution by 200% or 400% on any image you upload. It does a great job, but it's a paid tool. Upscale. This is a great free tool that you can use both in a browser and as an application that you can download to your computer to scale low-resolution images. There are installations for all popular operating systems. What sets it apart is that, apart from being able to run locally and not needing an internet connection, it can scale a whole group of images. You simply upload, for example, 10 images or photos at once and start scaling. I have a separate video about the 2 free best tools for upscaling images. I will leave the link to it in the description. Topaz Labs. It can increase the quality of both images and videos. There are 2 tools, Photo AI and Video AI. With Topaz Photo AI you can sharpen, remove noise and increase the resolution of your images. Topaz Video AI achieves remarkable video upscaling, deinterlacing, and frame interpolation optimized for local production workflows. Opus Clip. Opus Clip is a generative AI video tool that repurposes long talking videos into shorts in one click. From one long video, you can create 10 short viral videos to post as shorts in YouTube or TikTok. You just need to provide a link to the video, generate the short clips and publish. And as a source of information, you could also upload a video. It is an amazing tool for content creators. Here is a longer video clip of mine on YouTube. I point to the link and then I can choose how long the short videos are. I can close this window because I'll get an email saying it's done. Otherwise, I got 6 days of free use and up to 49 minutes of processing to start with. My clip is 40 minutes, so that will do. And great. As a result I got 20 shorts that I can download and upload to YouTube. Pictorial AI. I have a separate whole video dedicated to Pictorial.ai. Pictory apps are different. Script to video in just minutes. Professional quality videos from your script complete with realistic AI voices, matching footage and music in just a few clicks. Perfect for YouTubers, marketers and course creators. Pictory leverage the latest in AI technology to automatically create videos from your scripts. Turn blog posts into videos for better SEO and reduced bounce rates. Blog posts automatically become captivating videos both that readers and search engines love. Pictory owns a huge media library. It has automatic selection from over 3 million videos, clips, and images, plus 15,000 music tracks from industry leaders Storyblocks and Melody.ie, all royalty-free forever, meaning you'll never get a copyright claim. Text-to-speech. Record your own voice in-app, or upload a pre-recorded voiceover or select one of incredibly realistic AI voices. Pictory is PC and Mac compatible. Pictory runs in the cloud, meaning there's no software to download and install. Invideo AI. For Invideo AI, I have also created a separate detailed video for you to watch. With Invideo, you can create videos with text prompts. Enter any topic, and Invideo AI gets to work. It generates a script, creates scenes, adds voiceovers, and tweaks the video at your command. Invideo has talking avatars, script generator, text-to-video generator, and of course full video generator with editability. You set the topic and choose the format of the video. Invideo then generates both the text and the video scenes. This is the result. You can also edit the scenes. Wonder Dynamics. Wonder Studio is an AI tool that automatically animates, lights and composes CG characters into a live-action scene. Upload your CG character model to one shot, or an entire scene, and the system will automatically detect cuts and track the actor throughout the sequence. The system automatically detects the actor's performance based on single camera footage. Then, it takes that performance and transfers it to the CG character of your choice, automatically animated, lit, and composed. Quillbot. You enter a text prompt, and you get a video as a result. Run Waymo. You can generate clips based on a simple text prompt. They also have a rich library of AI tools. Gen 2. Create videos in any style you can imagine with text-to-video generation. If you can imagine it, you can generate it. Gen 1. Use words and images to generate new videos out of existing ones. AI Training. Easily train your own AI image generator for endless customized portraits and more. Text-to-image generation. Easily create an image from scratch with our AI image generator by entering descriptive text. Finally, I can tell you that I have created a list of all these tools with a brief description and a link to them. You can download it from the link in the description of this video, completely free. Friends, if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more similar content. Your engagement fuels my creativity and encourages me to keep to explore and share with you various possibilities.